I've never touched oil pastels in my life, and today I'm trying this brand new technique using this art set from MEEDEN. Here is the best part, I'm giving this exact kit away to 3 of you. Let's see if a total beginner can make actually something beautiful out of this, or it's gonna be just a complete mess. For the new one, hi, my name is Luigi, also known on social media as Illustrazioni di Loot, and in this channel I'm talking about art supplies, drawing, painting, so consider subscribing the channel if you're interested in this kind of stuff. Today is a special day because it's my birthday, it's 1st of July, and MEEDEN kindly offered to host a giveaway here on the channel to give to 3 lucky winners this oil pastel full set. It comes in this very nice portable box and it's full of goodies inside. We don't only have the pastels, but lots of cool stuff I'm gonna show you in a moment. In the second part of the video, I'm gonna try this oil pastel myself for the very first time, try to make something out of them. In the last part of the video, I'm gonna tell you all the rules about this giveaway. You have limited time to join it, so be quick. Alright, so everything is unboxed. Now I'm gonna unpack everything and give you my first impression. These are a palette knife. So I saw that you can cut pieces of pastels. Very light. So I have one wooden made, these are plastic handles. It comes in different shapes. I think this you can like squeeze your pastels on paper. With this you may have a particular scratch on paper to make highlights and stuff like this. Let's open one of these. I think this might be useful also for acrylic or oil if you need to mix your colors. I saw most artists use them. This is interesting, tape with some finger cut. I haven't used pastel because I associate them with charcoals. Don't like to blend them with fingers. I don't like messy techniques in general. That's why I never try them. But having finger coating for blending, I think it's huge plus. These small ones. And also a very nice tape for the paper. This is always useful. What is this? Soft oil pastel. I think these are white. You have extra white ones. Let me check. It seems like they are the most used. I don't know why. I mean, I would use them for highlights for sure, but it's not that I blend the colors. So why should I use more whites? Wow, so many. 6 whites. Great. The blending sponge pen. Here there is everything I need, except maybe a fixative spray that would be useful. And these are quite nice. I think this would be useful also for graphite, so pencils. The handle, I think, looks more like wood here. It's a bit soft. I'm gonna be trying this. So there is the specific paper for this technique, which is nice because I of course don't have that paper. If you need a specific one, I don't have it, and it indeed looks a little bit different from Bristol or hot press paper. It's extremely smooth but also slightly porous. I don't know if you can see the texture, and thickness I would say it's like 200 GSM, something similar, and there are 10 sheets of this. There is, before jumping into the oil pastels themselves, I wanted to show also this frame, wooden made, at least 2 or 3 centimeters depth, and this way you may also not use fixative maybe. I don't know why. If it's just like a fancy thing or there isn't a reason behind this. And finally, the soft pastels. Easy blending and layering, breezy handling, 72 pieces, so it's quite a wide range of colors, I think. Half of the full range of colors they have. I think the full range is 144. Removing the stuff, I also found this other piece is like a very sturdy pad, maybe also for cutting or would be useful. Don't know exactly how to use this. I believe it's something useful when you need to like cut piece of paper or as big as the paper. And let's check them. Here we have the full color range again, and a nice chart. Let's say the back side, you can make your own swatch chart. This protective, I think it's very useful because you already see a bit of dust on it. Some coloring dust into my lungs. Actually, I can just work on this without taking some extra paper. I don't know really how to use this. Ooh, it's like a lipstick. Oh, so soft. I didn't expect that. I thought it was much more scratchy. It's like, look how soft they are. Wow, I love this. I'm gonna do the full swatch chart now. And it's not dusty at all. Amazing, I love this. The only problem is I like to have like very detailed drawing. So soft, it's crazy. Look at this. These have been invented in Japan. We're using at school. Picasso, the artist that commissioned Sennelier to get like a more professional oil pastel. The reason why is that they are so flexible, versatile. You can get them on different type of surfaces. And so they started defining a professional line of oil pastels. Oh, okay, now I'm gonna shut my mouth. So this is the status of my finger after swatching them all. So it's a little bit messy, not that much, but the colors are extremely bright. I didn't expect them to be so buttery and smooth and creamy. It's really nice. I think it could be cool also for mixed media, like to get a highlight accent on top of gouache or watercolor paintings. Color palette is totally messy. I think like if I would take the colors and splash them on the table, I would get better order of this. It's up to you. You can reorder them. Unfortunately, they only wrote on them the number. This is a big disadvantage for me that I'm colorblind, cannot distinguish the color that well. So I'm gonna for sure keep this. But if I would be you, I would reorganize them for sure. They are still a bit active, I think. Not sure how to make this archival. I'm gonna test them on the specific pastel paper they provide and maybe try some different techniques. It's becoming a tradition to host a giveaway for my birthday. Last year was Ferris Wheel Press, giving one ink and pen to one lucky winner. I'm multiplying by 3 winners for this oil pastel set by MEEDEN. Last year I made it on Instagram, this year on YouTube, so it's only for you guys. Thanks for the community, we are slowly building up. Hope you appreciate it and you're gonna actually enjoy this set. So, before recording this video, I already tested the oil pastel with that lemon you can see. And already with this second painting I'm recording now, I had a step up in the process. I honestly didn't expect to like oil pastels that much. I really think that everything that looks a bit like oil painting, like gouache for example, it's in my vibes. And even if the paper is so smooth, it basically have no tooth visible, you can reach so much texture in your painting. So I think it's gonna be lots of fun if I try it on a canvas. The range of color, it's perfect for me. I have everything I need and they are extremely vibrant as well. I was expecting even to have more problems with details, but actually I could achieve them. And something I really appreciate is that you can layer on top as much as you want, and that makes so much stress-free the painting process. That's also something I like, for example, in acrylic markers. I believe that coming from a watercolor background, everything seems to be stress-free. So, summing up, I'm looking forward to try this more, maybe in more complex paintings such as portraits or landscapes or animals. I loved using the blending stamps. I'm not that type of person that likes blending with fingers. It was also not messy at all. At the end of the painting session, my hands were a little bit dusty, but they clean up immediately. And finally, I was very impressed by the paper reacting extremely well to the tape. I could just remove it with no damage at all. And now, after this little painting session demonstration, it's finally time for the giveaway. MEEDEN and I are giving away 3 of these oil pastel sets, including everything you saw in this video. I'm gonna drop all the rules in the description of the video, but here is for you a little anticipation of how to enter this giveaway. Subscribe to my channel and to MEEDEN Art's channel, like the video and leave a comment telling us if you would keep only one technique, what would it be? Only one, no cheating. This giveaway is open to all the places where MEEDEN has warehouses. That means Europe, USA, Australia and UK. I'm very sorry for people coming from the rest of the countries, they can't join this time. This giveaway runs from the midnight of my birthday, 1st of July, to the midnight of July 10, Central Europe time. The 3 winners will be selected randomly from eligible entries received before the closing date. Winners will be announced on my Instagram, Illustrazioni di Loot, on 10th of July and contacted via YouTube comment reply. If the winner does not respond by the 12th of June 2026, unfortunately I have to pick up another winner. The winners will have to contact me via email so we can arrange for you to get your prize. Please send a screenshot of your YouTube profile to make sure it's you and not someone impersonating you. Finally, I will only need your address and number via email to pass it to MEEDEN so we can get your prize to you. So the package will be sent directly from MEEDEN to the 3 winners. This giveaway is not sponsored, endorsed, administered by or associated with YouTube. It's only by me and MEEDEN. You can find all this information recapped in my description of the video. I thank you so much for the support to this channel and for watching this video this far, and I wish you good luck for this giveaway. And I see you soon.